King of the road, trailer for sailoring. That trailer for sailoring. Ain't got no cigarettes, but trailer for sailoring.
Alright, what's up everybody? JP here. It is April 30th. Last day of April, and it is 50 degrees out. It is overcast and it is cold and windy. But my Steinjager limb cables came in a few days ago, and I have a day off. Actually, I got off of work at 8 a.m. this morning, so I'm still up and I want to install them. So I'm going to try and figure this out today. If you didn't see the part 1 and part 2, that's where I installed the bottom mounts on the hood and the custom piece that I made for the Gobi Rack. Check those videos out also. And then come back to this one or just watch this one now. Either way. Thanks for tuning in, and hope you liked the video. Alright, let's get to work.
Don't pay trailer for sailoring. Trailer for sailoring. Ain't got no trailer for sailoring.
Alright, so I got my 2 cables. These are the connector pieces, and then the included hardware. So let's cut that out. Got the hardware. These guys are the pieces that are going to screw onto here, which I think so, and that allows you to do your adjustments to tighten up the cables. So this is actually a custom size. Off the top of my head, I can't remember what size it was in the other video. I said it was, I think it might be like a 56.5 span, 56.5 inch span. Yeah, so you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 nuts, and then you got the 4 connector pieces. Alright, let's try it. I'm going to set up the cables.
Sailoring. That trailer for sailoring. Ain't got no cigarettes, don't pay.
So windy. Alright, so I got those set up. Alright, so here's my bottom bracket at the hood latch, and then the custom piece right here. So this has been in since I put it in, so just to leave it, once this all works, I'm going to take it off and get it either clean it up and paint it, or take it for powder coating. So I haven't decided yet.
Don't pay trailer for sailoring. Trailer for sailoring. Ain't got no trailer for sailoring. Give man of me by no man. Give the road. Trailer for sailoring. Sailoring. Ain't got no cigarettes.
Alright, so I got the cable mounted here. I had to open the hood latch, so I get that. I got it inserted here. I've got these twisted all the way down, like as far as they'll go down into the hub. and even down here. Problem is still I have slack, which means I ordered a little too big. So what I'm gonna do is modify this a little bit, bring the hole back, drill that hole right now while it's on here, mount the new hole, and then reshape this. And probably doesn't really need to stick out as much. So, alright, we'll do that right now.
Don't pay trailer for sailoring. Trailer for sailoring. Ain't got no trailer for sailoring. Give man a name, find no name. Give it a roll. Trailer for sailoring. Trailer for sailoring. Ain't got no secret. Give man a name, find no name. Don't pay trailer for sailoring. Rules the left. Trailer for sailoring. Ain't got no trailer for sailoring.
Alright, so that's installed there. You can see it runs all the way up. So I got some good tension on it. You can see there, move the hole. So from the back of my plate, I went to 2 1/4 inches. This was at like 3 1/8. So I brought it back, and yeah, that's good. I was able to get the right kind of adjustment up here with the tension. So I like it. All right, I'm gonna do the other side. So I'm gonna drill it first.
Give man a name, find no name. Give it a roll. Give it a roll.
Oh. All right, so that was pretty easy to install. It was probably about maybe 20 minutes just because I had to re-drill the holes on the custom upper pieces that I made for my Gobi Rack. Other than that, pretty easy. Alright, so here's the bottom piece. So this again is the bottom bracket that goes with your hood latch, and that was from the same company, Steinjager, or Steinjager, however you want to say it. And right here you can see their adjustable piece and mounts in there. And you follow the cable up, and then my custom bracket that I made that's mounted behind my Gobi quick release. And you can see I had to move the hole back. So now that this is all set, I'm going to take this all apart again. Basically cut this piece off, round it out so it looks nice up here, and then I'm going to decide paint or powder coat. Alright, so thanks for tuning in. Hope you liked the video. It was a quick and easy one. I'll link the website for Steinjager where you can get these limb risers. They do sell the kit for the Jeep, but I wanted to make mine, as I said in the other videos, custom with the brackets up at the Gobi, just to get the limb risers to come up higher. This was a custom cable, and they do custom sizes, so you can order a whole bunch of different sizes that they custom make for you. So thanks for tuning in, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, hit the like button, subscribe, follow along for some more Jeep mods that we're doing, and share the video if you think somebody else might like it. Alright, have a great day. Hopefully they're not lying about tomorrow. It's supposed to be 72 degrees. Alright, see you all later.
Enemy, I know. Give it a roll.